Big sales days are exciting, but did you know sudden spikes can trigger freezes or fraud flags on Stripe? This search shows you how transaction routing works. By splitting payment volume between processors, you can reduce the risk of fraud flags or sudden holds. It is a simple concept, but most creators only learn it after they run into problems on Stripe. Easy Pay Direct takes care of this automatically. Their transaction routing feature spreads your transactions across multiple accounts, so even high volume sales keep running smoothly. On top of that, you get decline recovery and recurring billing, tools that protect revenue no matter how much you're processing. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out today to keep your high volume sales safe. Whether you're running flash sales, launches, or high ticket offers, EasyPay Direct keeps your payments flowing without disruption. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.